Hello, I'm Jamie Gibson, Technical Lead at Syngenta Flowers. I am here with our Madinia series. We have 3 different profiles in Madinia, our Diplodinia or Mandevilla. We have our Petite series, our compact Mandevilla. We have our bread and butter Madinias and our larger containers with trellises. These are our Madinia Maximo. Big flower, big pot, great presence. Starting with our petites. These are our compact varieties. We have 2 reds, a pink and a white, perfect for 306 packs, and really tidy in the 10-inch basket. Great also for color bowls and quart pots, so you can use these blended with other tropicals in containers. They make a really nice presence, incredibly durable. We also have a red, pink, white combo here displayed. Turning now to our Madinia series, we have 2 reds, 3 pinks, and 2 whites. So this is our workhorse. These are perfect for hanging baskets and also containers. You can also blend these in combinations. And then our Maximo. So these are more of a vining type that go into the trellis, great for the patio, incredibly present with large flowers, great durability for the heat. Consumers love Mandevilla, and our Madinia come from a really outstanding farm with high quality cuttings, root really fast, and are very grower friendly. Syngenta Flowers has built programs to develop high quality liners called premium liners, and you can also do some direct stick programs with callus cuttings. We've also built a patio playbook recipe. So this is wonderful not only for the red, pink, white combos, but you can also see where we position certain varieties for certain container sizes. So for more information about our Madinia Petite, our Madinia, and our Madinia Maximo, please visit our website.